For creating a rocky terrain, you can simply use the rocky node here. It's very simple. It's create a rocky plane like this. For better seeing that, I suggest to change the resolution in viewport 1K to better seeing that. In the settings, we have two style, A or B. It's changing the generation type. It has more long crack in the B. You can change the overall size of your cracks and rock. You can add or enhance more. Change the small rock if you want, as you can see. Change the small rock. Brickage, it's for enhancing this small rock at the edge. As you can see, it actually erode all of the edges. And if you come back, as you can see, we have more bump here. For better, if you increase it, if you decrease it, we have more uniform rock. Actually, it's break the rock to the smaller object. Or you can change the roughness to smoother or more rough. As you can see, we have more smooth or more rough. Jitter is actually for changing or warping the cracks. You can change it, and it's a random artistic tool for changing your rock cracks. And the cluster, you can make it on a large cluster, as you can see, or make it the default. Bring everything back to the default and large cluster. You can make it a large or make it a small. Yeah, as you can see, it's changing it's make a flat area in all pieces and break all of these rocks or scattered. As you can see, we have just scatter rock at the terrain. In some cases, it's useful. You can turn it off, this cluster. Relief is actually for smoothing the rock, normal or sharpening or smoothing. As you can see, we have more sharp area or more smoother. As you can see, like a bulky shape, or we have more cracks and plates at a flat area. You can choose one of these reliefs. If you tick fast, it calculates fast, but if you untick that and you have more quality, but it calculates more. You can do that. If you want to erode this train here, if you don't want to activate erosion node here, you can directly erode it here. Activate it. As you can see, we have erode this rock and create a beautiful scene. You can turn it to the normal and it's eroded here if you want. Nice. And here you can change the randomness seed of this train and create different type of your rocket train. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now
You will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.